Hello, Msandzi, Gossip Girl. We are living in times where men practice witchcraft, baloya, ukutwala vibes. So I was on TikTok scrolling. This lady was sick for 3 weeks. She took a sick leave. Doctors couldn't even understand what is the problem. They couldn't even diagnose her. So she lives with her husband and their 2 kids. And then the husband has a family home that is vacant. Nobody lives there. So the husband normally goes to that house every single day, and the wife kept asking, what are you doing there? Because I know for a fact that even if when you get to that house you do not even clean, and she never got a straight answer. So something in her, like a Holy Spirit, told her, or you know what, girl, get up, sick as you are, and go to that house. Our Mugele, went to that house. When she got there, she saw her husband's car parked outside, and then she knocked at the house. Nobody was there. And then looking through the window, she saw a candle, a white candle. And then she opened the door. Like, fortunate enough, the house was not locked. And then as she was moving towards closer to switch off the candle, because she thought, hey, maybe, itla swantlo. She saw a red candle with needles, and there was a white cloth and also her picture. She was like, what is my picture doing here? And then she switched off the candle, and then she also saw her panty liner and also her hair. Mzansi, banna ba lawyer, but let's just listen to her story.
Guys, namhlanje angizange nendaba ezimnandi. Yeah. But singiqale la, before you get married, before you get into a relationship, just pray that you marry into a relationship and you marry a partner that knows God. Yeah. Okay, I'm back, guys. I'm just too emotional, so angifuni ukulokhu ukuchitha isikhathi ngikhulumela lezi zinto ezingekho la. I almost died in the hands zomuntu engithi ngifuna ukuphilisana naye size siyohlukaniswa ukufa. Guys, I've been sick. I've been very sick. That is why I've not been posting. Normal post, it's just once a day. It's normal like before I'm alive. I've been very sick. I had this very rare sickness. First, I was going on my periods and I was not stopping. Second, I had my skull, not my skin, my skull, but my skull was painful. Like, it was painful. Oh, so ngizwa ngathi uyashisa or what's going on. Now some they even gave me amalanga. I stayed at home for like 3 weeks. Kuleyo 3 weeks loyo ngiyavuka ebusuku ngiyahlanza, ngiyaphuma engubeni ngiyashaya godola. So I thought that it's flu, yabo. So the other day I remember, because my face was like literally burning. Sorry guys, I'm back. My face was burning like from inside. It was so my fridge and some eyes where was slap, and I just tried to put on my face. Yes, like it was so I took this the eyes lawang at all right, fine. Fast forwarding to where I'm getting my looks commenting how ngilele lana manglele, something says to me, why ungakaze uyelave nihlala khona with your husband before uyochecka nje ukuthi what's going on? Because the house, nobody stays in that house, but he was always going there every day. Uyavuka guy ahamba lapha. Ngibuze mina ukuthi mawufika lapha ufika wenzeni, because akunasitulo, akunabhede, akunanix, okay. Hayi, angitholi my answer. If yakini nami angeke ngihlale ngayikithi, and kubo yena akunamuntu, mina kithi there's still my mom and my dad and everyone, and my kids are still there. How okay, isikhathi siyahamba, angazi ngibe nalento ukuthi why ngingathathi umntanami no awusi ngibahambise ngibayise ekhaya, bayohlala ekhaya for just a while. Angazi what brought that in me. Okay, fine, ngithatha awusi ngibahambise, so sale siyithula. Hawu, mangilokhu ngigula so inhliziyo yami says to me, go there. Ukhoya ubona ukuthi lapha yakenzakalani. Oh, I was really sick. I was really sick. I think it's 3 days back. I was really sick. Ngithi yabo manje ngiyashona and it's fine. I've even lost weight. Impahla zingilingani. So ngisuke la driving ekhaya. Mangifika ekhaya I find my sisters and they're like, "Hayi lakato, let's go to Chisanyama, you know, just to cheer you up and it's no guys. I just want to go lapha Pambridge. I want to go to Pambridge." And they said, "Akuhlali umuntu ePambridge." Ngithi, "Yeah, but my mind is telling me ukuthi I must drive to Pambridge." They're like, "Okay, so Chisanyama, ngithi no guys hambani." Ngizwe ukuthi azini yabona namhlanje if I'm not gonna die angazi, but please yami ithi angihambi ngelapha. Guys, ngene emotweni ke. Ngidrive. Mangifika laphayana, his car is there. So laphaya we were building, so sakhe ibonda ngaphandle. Besichachile sakhe ibonda ngaphandle because benganabonda when I got there. He's been staying there now for I think for 10 years. Yeah. And then mangifika laphaya mina bekahlala a big room, you know. Mind you, my family was fighting me. There's no way you would date this guy. There is no, and and they're like, this guy when's something, and I'm like, I love him. I even stopped talking to my parents at some point. If you guys don't want me to be with him, then I'm not gonna talk to you guys. So I'm figuring out, you know. So manje mangia, we wonder see like here, the other side there's a gate and the other side there's no gate. A gate in England. You know, there's just a space, but there isn't a gate. Hey, mangifika, I see his car there. Hi, ngingene. Yabo mangena ngikokode endlini. Because his car is there, so it means he's there. Ngikokode endlini akunamuntu. Ngikokode emarumini akunamuntu. Mangithi ngibheka la ngapha emva kwami ngaphandle, I see a candle. So this candle is flaming, yabo. I see a white candle, and then I go close. I'm like, why would somebody come like the candle in me? And obviously it's him because his car is there. How ngisondela la ukhandlela ngithi ene using less. So as I check okule prank le ihleli ikhandlela, I see a resemblance of isicathulo sami. So it's a picture seyishile kusele just isicathulo kancane. So I'm like, this is my shoe. And then this candle is not white, so it's wrapped with a paper emhlophe, yabo. Kithi nani paper lani leli. Mangithi ngiyavula guys, my picture is inhlabile. Ilo inalit. My picture is wrapped around a red candle, ne? And then it's got needles. Got so many needles around it, and then there's a pencil line I am lap like just next to it, and then there's needles everywhere, like around it, everywhere. And then kulento le candle angazinikisa in where you put on the lights. There's my hair wrapped around that thing, and there's another inaliti ehlamba from isithombe to lensimbi leyo to the other side to that ntambo leyo to the other side of the thing. Oh, guys, and immediately I saw that it's my picture. And then I took this candle and I ran home because I was like, you know, this is something that I'm not supposed to see. And if umuntu wafika la umnikazi walezinto lezo wathola ukuthi ngibone lezi zinto lezi angeke ngiphume la ngiphila. Okay, fine. I get inside the car, I take the candle and everything. Now I ran into the car, I drive. As I'm driving, I call my sisters, with guys, like, I sister la Chisanyama, guys, please, so they're like, no, smell inyama estofini. So I get there, I show my sisters, the candle. So I show my sisters, guys, look what I'm going through. Oh, they were shocked. Like, my sisters were crying, and they're like, kunini sikutshela about this guy. I'm like, oh, guys, yazini. But it can't be ukuthi ikhandlela lokuthi isiphile or elokuthi silast, because it's only me on this candle. All right, fine. We call my dad vele at Susendlileni. I think bekabuye South. That's my dad. My dad's like, I'm on my way from South. No, I needed to come because I think in the house lapha there's more things, and I'm ngiyasaba because mina nayisi too. After what I found, ngiyasaba, guys. My dad, I don't know, I'll come down. Yes. Alright, fine. Sibuyele with my dad. Sifike lapha sifune members of the CPF and stuff. We also called the cops of Batsibayes and they didn't come. We called again and the same story. Guys, to cut this long story short, masifika lapha with my dad and the CPF samela. Magafika okay. Uzavele uyawalk. Like yena nje bekazitshela nje ukuthi uzo-acta innocent, you know, but his car is there and nobody stays there. Makafika uguy bamtshele ke ukuthi ayisicela ukuthi usivulelela endlini. So my sister still had the candle, you know, in her hand because we are explaining about CPF. Did my husband not jump? What jump and Lucy so I'm tata le candle leli walihluta with that picture walahlela phezu kwendlu. Oh, guys. Oh, and he was like, if ngishayeni, it's fine, but let's thombe lezi ngifa naso. Oh. Okay, guys, yeah. Anyway, ubaya ahluthele ikhandlela and the picture azilahlele phezu kwendlu. Hey, I'm Lucy. So it's us, me, my dad, my cousin, my two sisters, nalabantu be-CPF. Like, why would you throw the candle on top of that thingy? Wenzani, but like simpusha wenzani. And then sesigijimisa ikhandlela nesithombe manje. Sivula igate. Oh, sivula igate. Because mina la bengingena khona ngisho akuna gate. So sivula igate. Avula igate. Sihambe. Masingena endlini before azovula vele endlini. So my little sister has the candle and the picture esandleni. Wavela wathatha ibag washaya usisi wami like unexpectedly, so isithombe sawela le sambamba wasigijimela uguy isithombe wathatha lesithombe lesi wasibamba esandleni wasiphonsela erufini next door, wasiponsela next door. What is it with this picture? Sisiyabuzana ukuthi kanti lesithombe lesi kwenzakalani ngaso. Simphushe ke lapho masimphusha awe like so, and then avule his bag ivula umnyango. Guys, masingena endlini iBrian isebondeni kokotole ngeyibhikiri. Guys, masingena endlini khona amakhandlela laphansi amanye ready anamanaliti lapho. Guys, kunomabhebeza bathe umabhebeza ulapha ebhakedeni in the house. There's my earrings around lapho afaswe ngezinto. Yazi sengiyahleka kumnandi. Guys, I almost died. No. Guys, my bra iBrian. Alright, fine. Sisamanye la ngisho sina busy sikhamisile lapha. Awugaya vela kubaleke. Bengana namandla ukuthi ngimgijimise, bengana namandla. Like we just had to go on top of the roof. Siyogibela ukuthi sithole isithombe kanti siwele next door. Sihamba sithatha isithombe next door. We stood there. Okay, community yafika vele. Most of the people in the community, they're like, no, we know ukuthi vele sina abantu bala bayaganga. That's what you know, like from way back. Yo, guys, I believe lapho there's a time where bengithi mangilele la embedeni inyawo zami bezilokha, and he would wake up angabi inyawo zilokhe inyawo ngikhale. I would go to doctors ngingazi ukuthi what's wrong. And this one time I joined a live yaga I think it's Pastor Thomas or something, these Nigerian pastors. Lo mfundisi lo wangitshela athi when there's an area of death pointed to you, when uyashona and ubulawa umuntu omthandayo, and kwakho la uhlala khona kunemithi. I said ikhona imithi, but eyakhe yokugeza uthi eyasemsebenzini because emsebenzini bayamlawyer and that's there's no such thing. Lezi zinto lezi kubo bazifakela wena because wena umsuse lapha kubo la bekahlala khona wamisa kwenye indawo, so kuba bacanga ukuthi wena udla imali yakhe. Mind you, this guy doesn't support the kid. For mntana oyi-1 mina naye akamsupport loyo mntana loyo. Monthly makathi ungiphe imali, ungiphe 200 guys, nezothi nginama-screenshots just to prove that. And the video of that day nezinto esizitholile naye futhi, I'm gonna post them here. So in short guys, I made this video because I don't think ukuthi he's gonna stop here, ngoba lento le ihlanganelwe, you know, with my in-laws. Ihlanganelwe lento lena, the sister uyinyanga, the mother umprofit, the sister uthwasile wathwasisa umama endlini, naye bekathemela hambe ayothwasa, bathe naye une calling, naye bekumele ayothwasa. Umntana kasisi wakhe lo munye nasekafaka isiphika esikolweni nentambo nani una 7, and then abe bathi ayothwasa nobhuti wakhe bekumele ayothwasa, no bababo bekathwasile, so bonke kushuthi banomoya. I'm making this video because should anything happen to me, because I don't think bastopile, I don't think they're gonna stop. Angazi ikhandlela li-ready liminane nama-needles nani, but I don't think they're a good thing, you know. Angazi zimina ini, mara ngithi mangimbuza that night at the police station, because he went to the police station, the police called, and then aqambe amanga. When I explained to the cops bamxoshe police station, and then waya kwenye police station waza namaphoyisa endlini, bamafika nabo ngiba-explainela, bamshiya lapho bathi sisi hamba uvulela le ndoda le protection order, this man is dangerous for you, this one. So athi bathi ngimkhaphela, ngimlethela endlini azothatha into zakhe lezi azidingayo, and he must never come to this place ever. So guys, I'm sorry about that. Should anything happen to me, should I go missing, should I die, should I get sick or even a stroke, that is why I'm making this video. You must know who to look for and where to look. So the guy that I'm talking about, ukhona la ku TikTok, ilona username yakhe is Ukanketa. Yeah, Ukanketa. Yeah, he's got his pictures and my pictures there and our videos. And he's got 2 accounts. Enye ibhale Paul, is it Paul Mosue? Paul Mosuoe. It's got our daughter's picture on it. Should anything, guys, like anything happen to me, whether ngizoshona or what, because akastopanga, and as we speak really lapha eQwaqwa, lezi zinto lezi zakhe uthola eQwaqwa kubo. Yes, should anything happen to me, Kyashwa, stroke, I go missing, anything, this is where you guys must first go and look. And I'm 100% sure kuzabe kuyena. Angazi ngimenzeni ukuthi afuna ukungibulala, because I don't think those things are a good thing, or ufuna ukuthwala ngami, or I don't know. Most people love bakhona be-community lapha, they're like, this guy ufuna ukuthwala ngawe, you must die, and then bese yena athwale ngawe. That is why I enjoy all this. And ithombe zami mangifika endlini ngivule album, and every picture ukhiphe one picture, in every page ukhiphe one picture, every page ukhiphe one picture. And that picture there, it was the last picture ngoba lezi zinye vele zishile lapha. So that is why he was fighting for this picture. Ngibonga uNkulunkulu wami namadlozi wami, because I don't know what said to me, hamba uye lapha. Angazi if angifikanga ngalesikhathi engifike ngazo, because ngifike livutha lekhandlela up to here esithombeni, ngivele up to here, so selishile from ekhanda lishile up to la. I'll post the pictures and the videos. Naye noma bebeza loyo, we did take a picture of that creepy thing. Amabra wami, amapencil line wami. Yeah, I'll post everything. if I go missing, you must know. So all in all, ngirides manje ngipholile. That night I bleed through 2 of my nostrils. Bengiphuma nje igaca like oh into iphuma ngithi bebele ukuthi gqu. Bebele ukuthi gqu. Sengithi manje I need to go to the hospital. So ikhaya bathi no, maybe la yaphola ile into bekuphethe la. Maybe bowusha, you were burning from inside. So kuphuma amahlwili. In the morning, I could not believe I touched my face and I was well. Guys, uNkulunkulu namadlozi bakhona. When you get married, pray that you marry into a family that knows God. Pray that your husband uyamazi uNkulunkulu nabantu bakubo. And angazi, don't marry a breadwinner, guys. Don't marry a breadwinner, guys. I've supported this guy all my life. And I'm gonna support him.